In this session, you'll learn when to use the 1.5-inch lens, how to install it properly, and why it's essential for achieving fine detail in your projects. Use the 1.5-inch lens when your project demands exceptional detail. This optional lens assembly is ideal for high-resolution engraving of small text and intricate engraving on items such as jewelry, electronic components, and high-resolution photo engraving. It excels in producing sharp, detailed designs on a variety of materials. The 1.5-inch lens is only compatible with the CO2 lasers in Epilog's flatbed systems. Installing the 1.5-inch lens is quick and easy. There are 2 thumb screws on the cover of the lens assembly. Turn them without removing them to flip the cover to the left and out of the way. Lightly tighten one of the screws to hold it in place. Remove the air assist tube from the lens assembly. Using your manual focus gauge, find the holes below the rim of the lens in the system. Turn it clockwise to loosen it. Pull out the lens and set it aside. The 1.5-inch lens is marked on the lens assembly. With the air assist connector on the right side of the lens, slide it in the lens holder. Using your manual focus gauge, lightly tighten the assembly in place by turning the ring counter clockwise. Attach the air assist tube. Slide the cover back in place and tighten the lens assembly screws. Because of the location of the lens within the assembly, the autofocus will work with the new lens installed. The 1.5-inch lens offers a smaller spot size, resulting in sharper images and more precise cuts. It's perfect for materials that require detailed etching, providing professional, crisp results. You'll notice a difference in line clarity, depth, and detail compared to a standard lens. Thanks for watching, and check out more training videos at training.epiloglaser.com.